Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Bybit and signing in. Make sure two-factor authentication is active so you can manage orders. Once done, go straight to P2p and tap My Orders. Filter by active or pending to surface the trade. You must select the exact trade entry to view details because cancellation controls live there. If you don't see the trade, refresh the page and confirm you're in the correct account and region before proceeding. You now open the trade details and quickly scan the payment window and any chat history to confirm no pending payments exist. If everything is clear, tap Cancel Order. Some trades require you to contact the counterparty first, so use the Contact button when prompted. After tapping Cancel, confirm in the dialog. Bybit will log the cancellation. Make sure to note any system confirmation ID or a small fee displayed, so you understand the final state of the order. You finish by verifying the order status shows canceled, and then check your P2p balances and wallet to confirm funds are released. If cancellation is blocked, often due to disputes or pending proof of payment, capture screenshots and note timestamps. This information speeds resolution. Next, contact Bybit support with the trade ID and your evidence, and make sure to explain the steps you already took. This helps support act faster.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.